Bright Star Kingdom. Welcome to the world of numbers. Today, we are going to explore numbers from 1 to 10. Each number has its own special meaning and fun things to count. 1 is the first number. It means just one thing, like one sun in the sky. O-N-E. 1. 2 means two things. Like two eyes to see and two hands to clap. T-W-O. 2. 3 means three things. Like three little birds singing in the tree. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 4 means four things. Like four legs on a chair to help you sit comfortably. F-O-U-R. 4. 5 means five things. Like five fingers on your hand to help you grab and hold. F-I-V-E. 5. 6 means six things. Like six sides on a cube. S-I-X. 6. 7 means seven things. Like 7 days in a week. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 8 means eight things. Like 8 slices of pizza to share with friends. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 9 means nine things. Like 9 planets in our solar system. N-I-N-E. 9. 10 means 10 things. Like 10 fingers you can use to count and play. T-E-N. 10. Thanks for watching Bright Star Kingdom. Subscribe, like and share with your friend and family.